Everybody, this is a special quick video for the America Unchained project. A lot of you have been asking me, over the years, I can't tell you how many times I've been asked, well, what kind of phone should I get for my kid? And when should I get them a smartphone? And blah, 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 blah. My quick answer is never get them a smartphone. I heard someone literally call it the portal to hell. And I can't really say that's not true. I know so many people that buy at 11, 12, 13, their child their first smartphone. They download every social media app. I'm not exaggerating. And then they hand it to their kid as if they know what to do with it and go, there. And I want to say, are you crazy? But before I go down that rabbit trail, which I'm not going to do, I want to show you a solution, okay? So don't turn me off. This is a solution. Get the apps off your kids' phones. Get the internet off your kids' phone. But I think this is even better. So without further ado, look at what I found. So for years, I have said to my kids, I wish there was a phone that had maps on it and I could text people and I could call people and even take pictures maybe, but I don't want the internet. I don't want apps. It's just too much of a temptation for me. You guys, I don't look at nasty stuff. I honestly don't. But I just look at stuff. I'm always like, well, what is on Facebook Marketplace? And, oh, I should upload this to Instagram. And what did so-and-so say? And, oh, it's telling me someone talked to me on Instagram. I had to get all that off my phone just to actually not be distracted constantly. And even still, I'm so tempted to watch a YouTube video every second I want a break from whatever it is I'm doing. It's too much. You guys, I'm not being funny, but when I sat down and thought through my ideal life, it did not have endlessly looking at social media on the list. It did not have constantly reading my newsfeed on the list. It did not have going onto YouTube and surfing the internet for news on my list that didn't even make the top 10 things I wanted in my ideal life. So for me, and for anyone who's never owned a smartphone, anyone, including children or adults, I'm here to introduce you with no strings attached. You guys, these people do not sponsor me. They don't even know who I am, but I finally found my perfect phone. It's called the Wisephone. So instead of the smartphone, it's the Wisephone. Do you get it? Okay, anyway, I love that. So the Wisephone, let me show you what it has to offer. Flip it over. It's very simple to see. It offers all the things I love, you guys. So first of all, it's going to tell me the time. Why? Because I never know the time, and my watch literally, yes, I own a watch. It's broken, and I haven't taken it in for repair. So anywho, it has a watch. It has music. Whoops. Come on, friends. There it is. Maps, cameras, clock, messages, phone, all the things anyone would want without the craziness of all the bing, 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 bing. Someone emailed you. Someone talked to you on Instagram. So you should upload something. Someone you've never met before, but you follow on Instagram, just load it. I hate it. It's not my ideal life. Think through your ideal life or the life you want for your kid. And then really think through what kind of phone you want for them. And in my perfect world for years, I have said what this phone does would be my perfect phone. Okay, I'm unboxing it, you guys. I didn't open the box. I've never done one of these. So if you know me, or you've watched any of my videos, I'm usually very put together on my training videos. Not today. I'm just super excited. So today is like Christmas Day for me. First of all, I'm just showing you what I'm seeing because that's what you do, right? It comes, you take the sleeve off. It comes packaged like any other cell phone. I'm going to be honest, if you are super into branding, super into all the snazzy stickers, all the little things that you wish it had, this ain't gonna be your phone. But if you're into a cool phone that is better than a smartphone because it's not gonna distract you from your life, you're not gonna get the cool box with like the logo on it that's in all sorts of different colors, but you are gonna get all the things you need, including how to keep it plugged in, which it looks like it's just, it's a step back. So I'm used to the USB-C cord. This is a step back. I can't even remember the name of this, but it fits every single standard phone ever created on Earth until the USB-C. So that's nice because you have a million cords in your home that already fit that. Okay, friends, this is it. Oh, so it's made by Motorola. I already have a Motorola, full disclosure. I know too much about the other company, and I'm sure all of them do this, but when I know that you're using slave labor in China, guess what I'm not buying from you? Your products. So this is what's going on here. it has a beautiful phone. It's nice and flat. That's what it looks like. So as far as just the simple unboxing process, guess what? We're done. I mean, you know, let me read the back of the box. It says, get excited, done, and take a deep breath. Your Wisephone has arrived. We applaud your intentional choice towards peaceful moments, deeper relationships, and a life free of distraction. Live fully. So I just turned it on. Wise OS. Looks like Wise Oz, but Wise OS. Okay, I will cut out all the fat from this so that you don't have to sit there and watch all the stuff that's not interesting. But I'm going to keep rolling and see what happens. Okay, so this is by a company, by the way, called, sorry guys. Brio, I love you. What's happening? So there's the time. Boom, it's already on. It's from a company called Techless. It's streamlined. Can I be honest? I am a sucker for modern simplicity, and you couldn't get more beautiful than this screen. For me, I am a simple gal. I love simple branding. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get my camera to, there we go. It's a screen. The screens are fighting each other. So when you flip it on, you swipe it up, and the home screen looks like this. Okay, that's their Techless logo. I'm going to be honest with you. It looks a little like the crown of thorns without the thorns for me, but that doesn't bother me. I actually kind of like that. And it says get started. So I'm going to hit get started, doing it. Welcome. Ooh, my Wi-Fi is on. I am telling it what Wi-Fi to go to. I'm pretty sure I know my Wi-Fi password. That's sort of something to know. I'm punching my Wi-Fi password in. That's the one I know to be the password. Let's hope that's correct. Winner. So it's on, and it's on Wi-Fi. Now I'm hitting continue. Okay, so I don't know if this is like Helvetia font, but I'm digging the font on that, you guys. Anybody in branding and marketing? Well done on the font. Look at me scrunching my forehead like an old lady. Yeah, well done on the font there, friends. I'm just digging that. My email. All right, I'm punching in my email. Let's see if this works. I'm punching it in. Boom. I don't recall making this account, but I'm assuming I did when I ordered my phone because it did ask me for. So you kind of have to remember a few very minor things, such as the email you signed up for on the Techless website when you ordered your phone. Okay. Then you have to remember the password you used. Oh no, that's not correct. Sorry. It's AmericaUnchained.org, and I put America Uncharmed. Oops. We're logging in. It says my user doesn't exist. So that obviously means that I did not create an account. I'm logging in. It says I don't exist. Okay, so I'm going to go do that and come right back. Okay, so I'm back. All I had to do was go to techless.com. I had to set up an account. I don't know, it took me 3 minutes, maybe less. And then I came back on, logged in that login onto my phone. And then here I am. Here we are. Okay, so what is it showing you? It is showing you calculator, clock, maps, camera, settings, phone, messages. No apps, no internet, no YouTube, no siren call from the internet. And more importantly for a kid, you can still take pictures. You can still get and receive texts, which I'm going to be honest, if they're young, they shouldn't be sending pictures. As a matter of fact, I can't test this until I hook it up to my account. This works with all US carriers. So I'm just again going to show you if I hit the camera, that's what the camera looks like. It's showing me from behind there, but the camera's nice. You guys, it's clear. It's nice. It's showing me everything I need to know. I can do video, I can do camera, I can message, I can phone, I can obviously the clock. Hello, there it is. And again, I'm just digging the font. It's kind of a nerdy thing, but lately I've been kind of into fonts. So there we are. This is Techless. I'm going to set this up with my carrier, hopefully by the end of today. And in a week, I'll update you on how it's going. But if you're the type of person, and if you're really honest with yourself, you're sick of spending your life watching other people have a life. You're sick of watching people on Instagram have the perfect life, which doesn't exist. Or you're sick of getting on YouTube, or you're sick of going on Facebook and keeping up with people from 25 years ago that honestly, if you died, they wouldn't know. I'm being real. Come on. I see people living their perfect life on the internet, and I'm like, you know, even if you're just posting memes and having a good time, if it's more than 20 minutes a day, I want that time back for me. I should be reading books. You guys, I am this high in research right now for something I'm doing, but even if I wasn't, I want to be painting. I want to be making gourd art with my kids. I want to be learning how to bake sourdough, which I finally did, but that's not the point. The point is this. Even if you have discipline, your child doesn't. And this is a beautiful first phone for any kid, any adult, anywhere. And then you guys are doing away with flip phones. So if you're a flip phone person, if you are like, hey, I had way too much sirens, way too many sirens were calling me from the internet, so to speak. I was tempted to look at all sorts of things I shouldn't, or I went down rabbit trails, or I was watching way too many Netflix. It was ridiculous. I'm done with it. This is a great phone for you. Grandpa phone. I'm fine being an old lady. Heck yeah, I want my time back. You know what old ladies do? They make quilts. You know what else they do? They cook dinners for their family. They aren't stuck on their phone all day. And by the way, go visit them, because they're some of the only people that aren't living a virtual life. They're living a literal life. It's just like Dr. Anna Lemke said. Look, we're going online so much. We're going to stop going online, look around and realize there's no one here in the real world. I want my real life back. And if you want to keep your child in the real world, this is a beautiful phone for them. And if you're sick of living in the virtual world, keep your smartphone for work, bank it at 5 p.m. when you clock out, turn it off, and use this one at night. I don't know these people. I'm not getting paid to say anything about them, but they finally created my favorite phone ever. It has maps. I won't get lost, you guys. I won't get lost. I won't get lost. I can email and text. I can send pictures. I can take pictures when I'm out and about, but I will not be tempted to be on the internet. Thank you for watching this video. Text me below, message with questions. Don't know all the answers? Techless.com is where you go for all the answers. But if you want to know how it's going, I'm happy to let you know. And in a week, I will try to update this to let you know how it's working with my carrier. So with that, I bid you adieu. See you next time.